On this week's Inventory Spotlight, we take a look at this 2017 Mesa Ridge 310 BHS by Open Range. This travel trailer features a sleek exterior design with 4 slide-outs, really opening up the overall floor space. There's a large outdoor kitchen area, perfect for alfresco dining and entertaining under the open sky. As you enter through the main door, you'll be greeted by the inviting interior of the Mesa Ridge. The heart of this trailer lies in its central kitchen and living area, complete with modern appliances including a stainless microwave, cooktop vent, and a 3-burner range. Prepare delicious meals with ease on the spacious kitchen island, featuring a double sink for added convenience. The large capacity fridge and ample pantry storage ensures you'll be well stocked for those extended getaways. The rear of the trailer opens to a private bunk room. The seated dinette area offers versatile seating options, with a swing-up bunk overhead for additional sleeping space. Across the room is a convertible couch below a second overhead bunk. And a corner wardrobe provides some additional storage space. Relax and unwind on the large U-shaped couch in the spacious living area, perfect for gatherings with friends and family. Enjoy movie nights on the large TV, with built-in surround sound system. At the front and on the right, is a dual-entry bathroom, complete with a mirrored vanity, countertop sink, and cabinet for all your storage needs. Retreat to the front private bedroom for a restful night's sleep. There's a large mirrored wardrobe along the side wall. And surrounding the comfy queen bed are 2 nightstands, and ample overhead storage cabinets. Through the second, private bath entry, we can get a better look at the corner radius shower, with textured sliding glass doors, and skylight for added natural light. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or relaxing in comfort, this travel trailer is sure to exceed your expectations. We have hundreds of quality pre-owned, recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this, and a whole lot more, at RV Depot.